In this video, we are going to show you how to remove the radio display and CD player from Lincoln 2015 model MKZ, which is similar to some other years. The tools that you need is this 7mm socket and this blue dashboard removal tool. The first step, you need to pop up these covers for the center console for the driver side. It doesn't have any screws, you just pop it up. And these are the clips that is holding it in. By the way, we already made everything loose. This is just for the demo only. And then you pop up this the passenger side cover for the center console. Put it on the side. And then you do the same thing for the cup holder assembly. Then you need to pop up this trim around the cup holder. It does not have any screws, it's just the clips is holding it in. Here are the clips. And now in this step, you need to remove 3 7mm bolts which are located on the side of the center console. But to get to it, you need to push away this side panel on the passenger side. And then you will be able to see the bolts. There are 3 7mm. One over here, one there, and then one at the end right there. And then there is a one on the top. So to get these 7mm bolts out, you just push away the side panel and then insert your ratchet and then open up these bolts, 3 of them. And you need to do the same thing on the driver's side. In the same location, there are 3 7mm bolts and then plus one on the top. And now that we have all these bolts out, put the car in the neutral position so we can get the shifter assembly, the cover out. And then you grab the cup holder and then you lift up the whole cover for the center console assembly. And now you pop up the bezel around the whole radio over the AC control. And once you pop it up, you just bring it forward and just leave it to the side. And now that the mounting bracket is exposed for the radio and the monitor, you can remove this 4 7mm bolts which is holding the radio. To get the radio out, it's a little bit tight. You just have to lift it up. Yeah. And that's it. And once you get it out, you need to disconnect the connectors in the back. The antenna connectors in the back, they are very, very tight. So if you need to remove them, you just use a small flat screwdriver to remove them. And if you need to remove the big connectors, you just push the clip and then you can remove the connectors. And if you need to remove the monitor, you need to remove another set of 4 screws for the monitor. And behind the monitor is a sync module which is attached to the display unit itself. One of the common problems with this unit, the display becomes black or it malfunctions, or usually the problem is the sync module is behind the unit, which I'll show you. Yeah, that's the sync module. Or if the navigation doesn't work or it does weird things, usually the sync module is bad. But sometimes the problem is just the touch screen. When you touch it, it does not respond to your finger. The problem is the digitizer, or some of the other problem with the CD player gives you the error message, or it won't accept the CD, which the CD mechanism needs to be replaced. And if you need any repair for any of these, you can send it to High Tech Electronic Services. in Van Nuys, California, 818-785-8085.